Yo gearheads! Welcome back with a hot new ride to dissect. The 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid Facelift. Honda's bread and butter compact car, the Civic, gets a mid-cycle refresh for 2025. And this time, there's a hybrid option for both the sedan and hatchback. Let's dive into the details and see if this refined Civic strikes the perfect balance between style, efficiency, and affordability. The 2025 Civic Hybrid maintains the clean and modern lines of the 2024 model, but with some sharper details. We're talking about a revised front grille with a more intricate honeycomb pattern, flanked by new LED headlights that look even sleeker. The fog lights get a redesign too, adding a touch of sportiness. Around the sides, the changes are subtle. New wheel designs are available, depending on the trim level, and keep an eye out for those cool blue accents on the hybrid models. A subtle way to announce your eco-conscious choice. The rear gets a slightly tweaked bumper and taillights with a more dynamic lighting signature. Early reports suggest it will offer a good balance between power and efficiency, making it perfect for city driving and occasional highway runs. And of course, you get all the benefits of hybrid ownership, like smoother acceleration, reduced emissions, and potentially some tax breaks depending on your location. The 2025 Civic Hybrid will likely follow the same trim structure as the gasoline model with LX, Sport, EX, and Touring options. The LX will be the most basic but still comes standard with the new infotainment system and Honda Sensing suite of driver assistance features. As you move up the trims, expect additional features like a sunroof, heated seats, a premium sound system, and more advanced driver assistance features. We're waiting for confirmation on the exact features offered on each trim level and whether there will be any hybrid-specific features or packages available. Honda hasn't officially announced pricing for the 2025 Civic Hybrid yet, but considering the current model starts around $25,000, we expect the hybrid to be priced slightly higher, somewhere in the $27,000 to $30,000 range depending on the trim level. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more awesome car content.